teacher to wake you up is Mother Earth. The best teacher is the water, the trees, the wind.
Blessed love, blessed love. Good evening to all my beautiful subscribers, my fans, people throughout the whole wide world, wherever you're tuning in from right now. This is OSTV_T7J coming at you this evening from Fulton Street in Brooklyn. I'm walking down on Fulton Street and I'm gonna pass by the Juicy Beef Patty shop. All right. So I want you to take a walk with me. All right. It's 7 o'clock at my time where I'm from in the evening now. So some of the store them is closed and some of them is open. This is Fulton Street, downtown, downtown in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn. They just opened up a Juicy Beef Patty here. I don't know if them are gonna allow me in there with the camera, but if they don't allow me in there with the camera, I'm gonna video it from outside. All right. This is a Planet Fitness store. Fruit stand. Another Arab live around this side of Brooklyn. The Muslim community then. So on this side. They are Fulton and Nashua now. So I'm gonna show you guys where the Juicy Patty store is. But guess what, guys? I can't go in there with my camera, so no camera allowed. So I'm gonna stay away from it. Can't bring my camera in there. Well, I can bring it in there, but I can't record. I can't record nothing in there. But this is the one in Brooklyn. See there? They are National Avenue and Fulton Street in Brooklyn. Try them patty, but It's alright. Yeah, but can't video in there, so that's why I'm gonna go in there go buy two of them patty and show you. Show you. Yeah. I just didn't bother going. Leave it alone, you know. But this is a Nastran on Fulton Street. Quite busy in the evening, you know. A 99-cent pizza store. All the place I know in Brooklyn, you can get a slice of pizza like that. Bravo Supermarket. This is where you catch a bus to. Right at the corner here. You catch a select bus. And you catch a local bus that takes you back in Coney Island Avenue way. Neptune. Neptune and Emmons Avenue bus carry over there, so at the last stop. This is one of the bus. This is one I go Avenue U on Nastran. Avenue U and Nastran are the last stop on this one. There's a bus here.
Two and five trains, B23 and B24.
I'm on the bus.
Please execute your
Heading down towards Emmons Avenue. So me again a little tour, you know, of the trip.
This stop is Western Avenue and Empire Boulevard. Airport.